Okay, Patty McGinty's goat. Patrick McGinty, an Irishman of note, came into a fortune, so he bought himself a goat. Said he, sure of goat's milk, I mean to have my fill. But when he got his nanny home, he found it was a bill. Now all of the ladies who lived in Killaloe, all are wearing bustles like their mothers used to do. They each wear a bolster beneath their petticoat, and leave the rest to Providence and Patty McGinty's goat. Said Molly McCarthy to her daughter Mary Jane, now who was that man you were cuddling with in the lane? His long wiry whiskers all hanging from his chin. 'Twas only Patty McGinty's goat, she'd answer with a grin. Then went away from the village in disgrace. She came back with powder and paint upon her face. She'd rings on her fingers and she wore a sable coat. Yeah, bet your life they never came from Patty McGinty's goat.